Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am back in my HOBONICHI cousin that I use for my everyday planning. I'm just rearranging everything because there we go. Anyway, so this week I will be using some stickers from According to Ali. Her shop is reopening today, Tuesday, July 18th, from being on vacation, and you can use the code Karina10 for 10% off anything in her shop. So this week I'll be using something new that she released in July. It's her farmers market stickers, and then I'll be pairing them up with her daisies. All of these are hand-drawn by Ali, and she is amazingly talented. Let's get started. So I'm also going to use some of Ali's, what are these called? Alcohol inks. Oh, I am having a day. So let's see what will match best with these. Not the blue. That, no. Oh, no. I need something with like a little bit more pop in the color. I kind of wish I had it. Like the blue is cool, but it wouldn't necessarily match with the daisies. The teal is nice, but again, wouldn't match with the daisies. And then the lime is just a bit too yellow. So I don't know, I might go with blue because there is some blue there. I think it would be a good mix of colors. Or the ice. Ooh, there is that ice. And I had some of that rose as well. Really need to stock up on all of these again. Lavender's pretty too. I don't know, having a hard time deciding because there's a lot of colors on here, which normally is a lot for me. I try not to go with so many colors because it's me trying to match everything gets a little crazy. So I think both of these would go. Okay, let's just do blue. Let's just do blue. And my idea was that I would actually put some alcohol ink up at the top. I was going to use some of Ali's hexagon washi, which is for me like a staple with her spreads. But I felt like there was already so much going on with the daisies that I wanted to, or well, so much white going on with the daisies that I wanted to keep it simple. And I apologize for the ink on my fingers. I did a big swatching session, couldn't even say that, session yesterday. I was organizing my ink catalog yesterday, and I had only planned to cut the paper for it, like to cut the Tomoe River paper for it. And then I just got into swatching everything. It was that kind of rabbit hole project that I fell down and was happy to do so. I will be sharing that later on this week. Ooh, I like it so far. I think let's do Farm Fresh. Although I feel like it's weird to just have a truck right up at the top. I feel like I'm gonna save that for something else. Let's do, I really like this, but I feel like it's almost too big for my spread unless I put it right smack dab there. Or on Monday. Let's just do the bag. I don't mind covering the dates. You guys know how I feel about that. And this one, I love farmers markets. Farmers markets are one of my favorite things, and if I can visit a market in every new city that I go to, I will be there. Oops. And Farm Fresh. And then I think I'm going to put one more alcohol ink kind of just in the corner. And what is the easiest way to do this? Because I want to kind of have it, okay, I know. Like this. So I'm going to go at it from an angle. Whoop. There we go. enjoy that very much. And maybe put in a tiny daisy up here and another one over here. Okay, and then I'm gonna put something down here in the middle. I'm making sure that I'm still in frame. Let's do another small cut of the alcohol ink, because that one would be too big. Let's do, okay, let's do it like that. And I forget who it was that told me to cut these before I even put them on the page. Was it Kim or Kathleen? Somebody had told me to cut them before putting them down on the page, and you are all geniuses. Cute little corn on the cob with some berries. I was actually at the farmer's market with Henry on Saturday, and I bought a whole bunch of cherries for him, which he loves. Actually, the blue was a really great choice for this. I'm gonna place a big blue one here. And there. I've been a little, how can I say, meh about actually filling in my weekly spreads. Like, I'll show you last week's. Last week I kind of filled it in. You know, I decorate it and then I kind of fill it in after. I do really well with my daily journaling. It's the weekly spreads of doing and filling it in after that I'm kind of like, meh. I'll do it if I feel like it. There we go. All right, so let's go ahead and do the sidebar. So I'm gonna go in with my Esterbrook SD in Rainforest, and it's currently inked with Diamine Meadow, and I'm going to draw in my sleep score chart. And I don't know if anybody else feels the same way as I do, but I've been with my weekly spreads kind of just blah about it. I still love to decorate it, but filling it in during the week has kind of fallen down by the wayside. And actually, this is the latest that I'm filming this. It's Tuesday, no, it's Monday that I'm filming this. Normally, I film this on Friday and I've already edited and uploaded it, but this week I almost didn't do this one. And then I'm gonna use my Pelican M605, and it has Colorverse Alpha CMA in here, and I'm gonna write in my workouts. I don't know why I felt like this week, almost not putting this video out. I don't know, I think it's also summer. There is a lot going on, but then there isn't a lot. It's a weird one, So yeah, with the sleep score, I keep track of, well, obviously on that week, I did not do it, but previous weeks, not in this planner, but on different planners, I keep track of it. See, I told you, I'm kind of not filling this in, and I'm not beating myself up about it. It's real life. It's what happens, and sometimes I fill it in and sometimes I don't, but I'm very diligent about filling in my daily journal. So let's zoom out and then move to the bottom of the spread. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use my fountain pens and write the word meals Monday through Sunday. And then I will go in with my fountain pens again and write in my work shifts as well as the arrows. This week is another week where I am closing on Friday and on call on Saturday. And I actually don't mind it because today, Monday, I don't start until noon. So it's a little bit of a late start for me, which is nice. Now that that is done, I'm gonna go in to every day here. I'm gonna use my pencil board so I don't smudge anything because I am known for that. I'm gonna write my to-do list up here. So I have to film this video. And there's another pen video I need to film. No, film. And then I need to meal plan and order groceries. Okay. Then tomorrow, I'm taking out this cute little sticker book from According to Allie, and these fit my icons perfectly. These are once again available in her shop, and they're really, really soft. Love them, love them. Where are my tweezers? There we go. So for Tuesday, taking my little garbage icon. Wow, my hands are like so dry right now. There we go, garbage icon. And that's when my husband puts out the bins. And then this week is also weird because Henry has camp all week. So I'm actually gonna write that up here as more of a note. And it's, yeah, and I'm grateful because my mom is volunteering at this camp, so I don't have to drop him off or pick him up. It's all done. And then Thursday is when my husband picks up the groceries. Let's see. So groceries, there we go. I'm gonna use the new bags because they're just cute. I say new, but these came out a couple of months ago. My husband will pick up the groceries. I feel like I'm forgetting stuff, but no, my appointments are all on Friday because there's a couple of things I need to do. I'm gonna grab this one because I have, where is it? I have icons for just like relaxing self-care stuff. Just can't remember where they are. There we go. So I'm going to take a little Coffee Monsters Co. for a manicure. But again, these are just so big. I find most icons really big in general, so I need to make like a manicure nail icon. Is it at 10 or is it at 11? It's at 11. Ugh. Okay, let's see if this sticker will lift up. Real life, people. Who was it I was talking to? I was talking to Katie. And I don't know what it is, this ability to remember other people's Grail fountain pens, but I can't remember my own appointments. Like, such is life. Then immediately after that, and thankfully my acupuncturist isn't that far anymore, immediately after that I have acupuncture. Why I did that to myself, I don't know, but I'm gonna cut it close. I know that's gonna give some people anxiety. Acupunk, oh my gosh, Acupunk. And then, what a day. Then I will need, let's just use up some of the icons that I've got. I'm going to film that afternoon as well. My usual filming, but it will be for the cousin, if I have time, maybe the week's new pens. And I'm gonna add the repurchase. And if I have time or I have the patience to, I will do the week's one. All right, then how many times was my head in that shot? Probably a few. I just double checked and thankfully my head was not in that shot as often as I thought it was. I see that sometimes where I'm editing a video and I see my scraggly hair come in there and I'm like, well, that's attractive. All right, and then Saturday, the kids have swimming. I need a swimming icon. And then I think what we'll do is we'll take them to bubble tea after swimming, because Henry has camp that day, and then Robin is going off with my sister, so there really won't be a chance to go then. Like, so swimming. I feel like there's something else that I'm missing. Oh, wrong pen. So close. It's really 11:30 to 12:30. Okay, no plans that evening that I know of. And then Henry has Ninja on Sunday. I'm running out of these. I need to get more Ninja stickers. Those are so cute. 11:30 to 12:30. At Ninja. I'm debating something here, whether to do the cleaning on the 22nd or the 23rd. And I think we'll probably just see how I feel on the Sunday, because we have the same amount of time both mornings. It really depends on how I feel. Well, let's just do it on Sunday. And the usual, I'm going to do bed linens, bathrooms, and my husband does the vacuuming and the windows. Oh, I know where else I need to go. I'll probably do it next week. And then dust and garbage bins Henry will get, and then Robin does the switches and handles, switch and handles. And then the last thing I forgot that I did put down was laundry. And I'm also debating when we're going to go to K-Days this year, but I think that also depends on if my sister and brother-in-law will come with me during the week. So, fold laundry. I'm a little haphazard all over the place right now. Fold laundry. All right. I think that's all I have for now. If anything comes up, it'll come up. But yeah, I don't know if you guys can tell, but today, or maybe just this week, I've just been kind of, I'll plan it to plan it so that it's done. But me filling out my planner hasn't been, I haven't been as motivated to do it. I kind of just do it. I do definitely do the daily journaling because I love that. I don't know what it is with the weeklies now, but I'll still decorate because, you know, it's still fun. It's just whether or not I fill it out. All right. Wow. That was not as cheerful as I'd like it to be, but thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Remember, according to Allie, her shop reopens today, Tuesday, July 18th, and you can use my code Karina10 for 10% off her shop. But that is it. Thanks again for watching, and have yourselves a great day.